A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. My name is Ronald Way, Kwamakusha, and welcome to African Beyond Television Network. We'll give you the latest trending news in the nation of Zimbabwe. And we are heading towards 2023 elections. And a lot of people are asking, Chamisa wa Murumbuti, Chamisa, akambobva nekupi? And we are here with some answers. The long journey of Advocate Nelson Chamisa, from being a humble follower to becoming the president and leader of the alternative organization or alternative political organization in the land of Zimbabwe. So let me bring right here on the screen the credentials of Advocate Nelson Chamisa so that you see for yourself what I mukuru wabva nekure mukuru right now it's fit for the people of Zimbabwe to actually vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa without any doubt. Hatisi kana kutombovhunduka guys, pasina kumboti chichi. This is the man of the moment. This is the man who deserves to be given a chance to lead this country. Not just because he's popular, no, but because of his consistency in terms of fighting for change. A lot of people, they have jumped the ship so many times, but Nelson Chamisa remained steadfast within the opposition, which was led by Morgan Tsvangirai. By then, he never defected. When everybody else had defected, Nelson Chamisa remained resolute to the struggle. And to this day, he is there with the people and now leading. So if you look on this picture, which is right here on the screen here, Advocate Nelson Chamisa was so young, and nobody ever thought that this young man could be president of an organization one day and president of a republic one day. So this is the picture in 2003 in Harare, and this is the another picture with David quoted recently after the launch of Citizens Coalition for Change. And taking a look on those years, Nelson Chamisa was in the trenches all along, fighting for change, fighting for democracy. He met so many obstacles, but he remained resolute to the struggle. And that alone makes him a true cadre, a true comrade, because along the way, remember that a lot of people were paid to sell the struggle. A lot of people were diverted from the struggle. A lot of people booted themselves out of the struggle, and a lot of people worked as a spies within the struggle. But Advocate Nelson Chamisa, he remained there with the people, and up to this day, the struggle actually continues. And this is the struggle for a democratic Zimbabwe, an equal Zimbabwe for everybody. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Hanzi Panapa, some people try to brush away and take Chamisa's credential and political history from him because of hate. But the truth is Chamisa KURE. Okay, Hanzi, who is the other guy you blogged out? Okay, Hanzi Mavura Hombe Mdara. So honestly speaking, guys, I think this issue has been widely discussed and debated by a lot of people, but zvirungoratidza zvega kuti aiwa Chamisa wabva kure mudhara. No matter how much you hate him, mudhara, if you are ordained to lead, if you are ordained to be a leader, you will lead no matter the opposition against you. If you look on the story of Joseph, akatengeswa akaendeswa kure akaburitswa Egypt, but at a later day everybody came and was before him. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I've just decided to come with this story of Advocate Nelson Chamisa, a very inspiring story about Advocate Nelson Chamisa. I don't know what you think about this whole issue, but I just decided to come and share. The core issue is that vanhu vari kurejista kuvhota up to 21 March. Vanhu vanenge vachirejista kuvhota. This is probably the last voter registration blitz. So enda unomeka sure kuti family yako yese yakarejista kuvhota. Enda unomeka sure kuti everybody around you is actually registered to vote in various parts and various places in and around Zimbabwe. Kwese kwamuri check the dates kuti apa vari pasenda ipi musi wakati, vari pasenda ipi musi wakati. What you need is your national ID or a valid passport, and also a proof of residence. If you don't have a proof of residence, ngatiti pamwe sabhuku vakunyima, kana kuti kanzelandi weZANU-PF vakunyima, kana kuti vepamba paunogara vakunyima proof of residence, enda wakadaro, you'll be given an affidavit form and you'll be able to sign that affidavit form inenge ichitaura kuti aiwa inini ndinogara pakati pakawo. That alone umbowo hwakakwana hwekuti iwewe you are a Zimbabwean who stays at number chakadaro chakadaro chakadaro, and you be registered as a voter. So Team Zimbabwe, I love you all. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Let us continue to fight for change. Let us continue to share these videos to as many people as possible. Let us meet in another episode, another podcast.